How to manage saved passwords in Chrome on PC. This tutorial shows you how to view, edit, and delete any passwords Chrome has stored for you. First, open Chrome on your PC. From there, click the three dots icon at the top right of the browser and select Settings. After that, click on Autofill and Passwords in the left sidebar. From there, click on Google Password Manager. At this point, you'll see a full list of every username and password Chrome has saved across different sites. From here, click on any entry to open it and view the details. To see the saved password, click the eye icon next to the password field. You may be asked to enter your Windows PIN or password to confirm it's you. Following this, if you want to update a saved password, click Edit while inside that entry, make your changes, and click Save. After that, if you want to remove a saved password entirely, click Delete while inside the entry, and it'll be removed straight away. Finally, if you want Chrome to stop saving passwords altogether, go back to the Google Password Manager page, click Settings at the top, and toggle off Offer to Save Passwords. That's how you manage saved passwords in Chrome on PC. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.